Summer is the best time to enjoy the beach and the tropical breeze. So in this tutorial, we're going to work on this Ocean Breeze nail art. Let's go ahead and get this design started. First, apply your favorite base coat. When dry, apply your base color. I chose a light tan and I applied 2 coats. Next, I took a sponge and some white polish and created the ocean foam. On each nail, I did the foam differently. Some nails I did straight across and other ones I did diagonally. When dry, I took an ocean color blue and I created the water. I also used a sponge to do this. Make sure to leave a little room to show the white. This also took 2 coats. This next step was optional, but on my ring finger I applied a small starfish using a Meiji nail art pen. You don't have to do this, and I didn't film it because I didn't know how it would turn out, but it actually turned out pretty cute. Last, apply your favorite top coat, and this quick design is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more giveaways to come. I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and take care and have a great summer.